What's up, guys? Matt here, aka Machete Man F13, and today I got a trade box from Mike Tapp, the Angry Unboxing Nerd. I sent him some stuff, and he sent me some stuff. He posted on Facebook that he was looking for a few certain things, and I was like, alright, I got, this and this. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Just go check out his video. I'll leave it in the description box below. But I was like, I got this and this and this that you might be interested in. And he was like, yeah, I want that. So I was like, well, what do you got that you want to trade? And he sent me some pictures of some stuff, and I was like, I want that right there. And then I saw something else that I liked, and I was like, if you throw that in, I'll throw this in. So we got a box of some stuff. But yeah, I'll leave a link to his channel below so you can check out his video. He didn't spoil what he sent me in his, so I'm not going to spoil what I sent him in my video. You're just going to have to go check it out if you want to see. You got a little happy with the tape. Give me just a sec, guys. Not that I'm upset about being happy with the tape. Tape's good. Boxed up nice. Hold on a second. What is these? Is there anything in this? Did you put something in this? I don't think so. I think that's just a piece of cardboard. Alright. I'm gonna move something out of the way so I can pull this out first. Alright. I'm excited about this. Let me get it open here. We'll get it out of this plastic bag so that you guys can see it without the glare. Bam! Is a autographed, thick cardstock picture of Linda Blair from The Exorcist. Which was featured in a band box. I don't get band box because it's not on thick cardstock. That's just a backer. It's just a regular, like Fujifilm print, but that backer prevented it from bending or anything like that, and staying nice and in here. But I don't get band box because I've watched some videos of people getting it and unboxing it, and every now and then they have awesome stuff like this, and I'm like, wow, that's pretty sick. But then the rest of the box is like not that good, and they don't have items like this all the time, and I can't get it back in there right now, so I'm not gonna worry about it. But then he had so cool. But then he had this right here. Ooh. And I do not have this in my collection, and I did not pick it up when I should have. So now the price of this is like gone up quite a bit. But Mike was willing to send it to me, and I'm really happy about it. And he said, just to be, fair, I'm gonna let you know that the little Velcro thing doesn't stick. It's like stuck together and the box won't close. I don't know if he fixed that or if it somehow fixed itself in transit, but it's fixed now, which I'm gonna open it anyway, but I can't tell if you can see without the glare, but it's the NECA Ultimate Friday the 13th Part 3D Jason Voorhees. You can see the front moves around. All in all, I'm very happy with this trade. Love this figure, love that autograph. Gonna have to get a frame for that and frame it up. Mike was very happy with what I sent him as well. Again, go check out his channel. Give him some love, some likes, some subs. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Feel free to like and subscribe here if you like my content. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram at MacheteManF13, same as the spell below. So until next time, guys, keep it creepy.